Hello beautiful people, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you like it here. Please make sure you subscribe. So today's video is like a drag queen makeup transformation. I hope you find it educating and entertaining. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'm so excited creating this look. Yes, please the other side. Please the other side. This side. Yeah, please the other side too. First of all, I'll be going in with micellar water and a face wiper to clean his face, to remove every dirt and oil in his skin. Next, I'll be using a moisturizer from MS Cosmetic, applying it underneath his eyes, his forehead, just to moisturize his skin. And also, I'll be using a Pond mattifying primer. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. I am waiting for you. It is free. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. Thank you. For foundation, I'm going in with Flawless Ivy and Early Pro Concealer, mixing both together to get a shade because it has very dark shade. I'm using a beauty blender to blend it, and beauty blender makes your blending game better than using a brush. Yeah, beauty blender works best. For highlighting, I'm using Zika Cosmetic Concealer and Ellie Pro Concealer. And Zika Cosmetic Concealer, I'm just applying it close to the inner corners of his eye just to brighten that part of his eyes. And I've forgotten the shade of this concealer. I guess it is Nutmeg, yeah. So I'm just using it and it dries quickly. For setting the highlighted area, I'm going in with Zika Cosmetic Powder just to set it. It's like a pro setting the highlighted area, and then I'll be baking that highlighted area. For baking, I am using Airborne setting powder. It works for every skin tone and it has been the best so far. So for my eyeshadow, I am using the Adventures City Light eyeshadow palette. I'm just playing it with different colors, the orange shades. There are like 4 orange shades there, matte and shimmers, and also the pink shade. I'm just playing it with colors, blending in, just to make his eyes pop. I'm going for a pink eyeshadow look, but then I'm using orange as my transition color. So I'll be going in with this as my eyeshadow base. Is a product from Benai. So I am using the Adventure eyeliner. I went ahead and applied mascara with Fix's Lashes. It was a struggle behind the camera. It's his first time wearing makeup, so then I went ahead and used Zikel Cosmetic powder palette all over his face to, dust out the excess powder, and I fill his brow using Davis eye pencil. I went ahead and applied the powder all over his face. For lipstick, I am using Zikel concealer and Davis eye pencil, applying it all over his lip, and then I'll be lining it with a dark eyeliner, dark brown eyeliner, and the Davis eye pencil as well, and I'll be using a lip gloss. So now I'm just going to apply highlighter using Zikel Glow Kit. I applied too much. I just had to blend it out, and that is all for this look. That is all for this look. I hope you find this look educating and entertaining. It's a drag queen makeup look. I've never done this before. I just had to like tie one of my scarf around him because he doesn't want to change into a female wears. He wasn't really comfortable with it. I'm just glad he allowed me, do this on his face, and I hope you find this video entertaining. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. I will have more tutorial, like more regular, normal, everyday makeup look for dark and light skin women of color. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at Lizzyakinbule. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.